everyone, this is Elmo. Guess what? Today I got a surprise for you. Oh, what is this for? I can use this as a stage to put my figurine. Let's start. Oh, all of it. Okay, let's start. Which one? Sea turtle. Oh, this is too fast. I haven't have a good look at the sea turtle. This is a big one. Okay, what's the second one? What is this?
Hey, I'm tired.
This is good. Okay, this is cactus. Okay.
Wait, goat, cactus.
And what is this?
Stingray.
Okay. Oh, what is it?
Beater?
I think so. And this is a donkey.
How do you know that?
What is this? What kind of fish is it?
Eel.
Okay.
Eel water here.
Zig you.
A
And-
giraffe.
Okay.
A hen.
A hand. Alright.
Mouse.
Okay.
Okay. Another sea turtle.
I love sea turtle. Another one. So how
Wait.
many altogether?
1, 2, and we're talking about the big one.
Oh, it's so cold. Okay. Ooh, I'm scared of this creature. It's so scary.
It's a monster.
Ah,
Well, zebra.
and it's too fast. Can you just
Well,
whale,
shark.
shark, and
And gorilla.
how many gorilla do you have?
I think I told you.
This one?
I think so.
Okay. Next.
Hey, that's on Pokemon.
Okay. This is come on. Oh,
There
cool.
is Snorlax.
Okay. Cool. And what is this?
A duck.
Okay.
Wait, is this a goose or the duck?
And another mouse.
A mouse.
What is a funny looking?
No, that's not a pig. That's a hog.
Can I see the face? What is this? Is it dogs?
It's a hog.
I don't know.
A hog is kind of pig, but I don't know what
Oh,
fish.
what?
My teacher taught me before, but I forgot.
Okay. And it's a lion.
Lion and duck.
Hey, I want to see the duck again.
What? No.
How many ducks do you have?
This.
Okay, and the white one?
That I think is a goose.
Are you sure?
Yes, I guess.
Alright.
The mouse and the whale.
Can you put it down? Okay, will. Alright.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
A beaver. No, wait, what?
Okay.
This
Crab.
is my favorite.
Wow.
The two.
Okay.
Dog and silly.
Okay.
Cow and zebra.
Okay. What else?
Cherry and monkey.
Why is a cherry and a monkey together? That is so weird. And what is?
Cat and
Hey, I want
lion.
to see cat. Oh, a cat and a lion. Okay.
A bird.
It's a crab. A rooster. It looks like a Pokemon. What is it?
The months. Remember, it's black. When you see a black one, that's hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you see a gray one, that's hippo.
Alright. Hey, come on. Faster.
Insect and
I don't know what it is. Okay.
a toy
What
and
toy?
a grass. A monkey
Hey, your monkey is too fast.
and
What?
an elephant.
Can I see the face of the monkey? Okay. And the elephant.
And the rhinoceros and the goat.
We got so many rhinoceros, isn't it?
A hedgehog puppet and a starfish.
This is this is just the head of a cow. Okay, starfish. Cool. And what else?
Eagle and a bee.
Okay.